Welcome back again. It's your girl Out.This. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My wisdom warriors, me I tell you in the morning here. Hey, me say me have to come out early, man, because some people always say, "Oh no, see Andrew Wellness, I build up infrastructure. Oh no, see the man I build up highway." Me tell you all the while say, do not be fooled by Andrew Wellness infrastructure where I build up or the highway, which I know him I build up the highway. Me say do not be fooled, because poor people cannot afford it. Look on the toll. Look how much money people have to pay. You know how much money them make off of people through the toll? You know so much money them make off of people. My viewers and subscribers, may I jump right into it this morning. No. Because Andrew Wellness and the whole regime have to go down today. Because this not right. This not right. Me I go show a video with a man where he have to pay 2,000. Listen, the man have to pay 2,000 something dollar. Then the man have to go pay $3,000. I never know say they watch features per car. I never know say the more hotter the car, put it like that. The more hotter the car, the more money you have to pay pan the toll. You never hear them something here? And when you not ready, people, me not talk the well thinking Jamaican, when enough of the duns them ready, then chat off them out, because I'm not talk about Andrew Wellness, he is a good prime minister. On the same build up infrastructure. I'm telling you all the while, say Jamaica now benefit from it. Even if Jamaica benefit from it, Andrew Wellness now use the money and do nothing. Because Jamaica is a very rich country, But Andrew Wellness now show it. He now show it and he now help. He now help the people them. He now do the things that we're supposed to do. He might build up infrastructure. Everything we say Andrew Wellness do is only for the rich. It is only for the rich, because them the highway and toll gate and whatever. Poor people can't afford it. Poor people can't afford it. You understand me? Them something there for rich people only. Go in the rural area and fix up a road. Make decent road for the people them. Make sure that everybody have water. And them that's something that we want you to do. Go in at the clinic them. Make sure that the clinic them have resources. Go in at the hospital them. Make sure that the hospital they have equipment, resources and everything. And that we want you to do, brother. And that we want you to do. And as I said other day, so me not hear it mention nothing about healthcare in a phone budget. Me not hear nothing about that. But my viewers and subscribers, I have a piece of video for drop on Una go get a shocker for una life when you hear this. Hear what the man I have to say.
Una tell me how that makes sense. I drive from Auditor to Kingston and paid $2,050. Now I'm driving from Auditor to Spanish Town and they're charging me $3,500. That make no sense. Somebody have to talk to me about this. See the vehicle here? I'm gonna move, I'm gonna call the police. I paid $2,050 from Auditor to go into Kingston. Now I'm coming from Auditor to Spanish Town and they're charging me $3,500. Come on, Jamaica, get this in it. I haven't can pay what I not paid. Bro, I drove from Auditor, right? To town, right? And I paid $2,050 for the car, right? Now I'm coming from Auditor to Spanish Town. And I charge him like $3,500 for the same car. Oh, that makes sense.
My wisdom warriors, when me tell you me come out and me tell you say, hey, me tell you say, do not be fooled. You hear? This is a money-making thing. You understand? This is a money-making thing because to my understanding, it has come to my attention that it depends on the type of car you drive. So if you drive a 2024 car, listen, you go pay till your finger they hurt you. You hear what me say? It depends on the features. This is what me I get to understand. So it depends on the features of the car and what year of the car. So if you drive a 2024 car, 2023 car, 2022 car, hey, listen, uno no go in a them the place there because uno can't go afford it. Uno hear what the man say? The man said drive from which part to which part. The man pay $2,050. You understand? I see him carry in a go. And him a go in a on different heads. And him have to pay $3,000 that they want the man to pay. And I want to come out all the while I tell me say, look how Andrew owners have built up the highway. But idiot, you don't have to pay for that. And you don't pay tax. You don't pay tax. This is why me have to come and burn on enough time, you know. Because me tell you, say, you don't have any vision. You think say Andrew owners are do nothing free? Andrew owners are do nothing free for you. You don't say what go on with that youth. You don't say what go on. Me never hear that yet. So it depends on the type of car. Them something a daylight robbery. Them something a wickedness. Government wicked. You understand? Yes. They wicked. Because I never hear of because your car the latest car, your car 2024, 2023, 2022. Yeah. Them are going to charge you more money. And because the type of features on your car, that's why they might charge you. And this a government I don't want to lead, you know. This a government here. Because that's why I'm telling you, you know, my wisdom warriors, me always come out and I encourage. So when Andrew build up infrastructure, and when Andrew build up claims, some build up highway, a stakeholders money. Because Andrew only come out and we say 1 billion to fix that. When I know 1 billion and 1 million, so when do with the rest? You understand me, my viewers and subscribers? You don't understand me? So when you see, it is good for the country look nice. Now get me wrong. And my country, me love it. Me love my brothers and sisters. But you don't forget to understand where me I come from. Yes, it is good for look. And when you look up a building, look nice and thing. Yes. But can poor people afford to even go to the front door with them the infrastructure? Andrew owners, when Andrew owners that do business, you know, think about poor people, you know, this is what me I try to explain to you know. And you know, get it. Because you just not have no vision. Just like Andrew owners. You know, say, you think say, oh, me just drag him down. But me not drag down Andrew owners. Me not come here for that. Me come here for do the right thing. You understand me? Me come to do the right thing and say the right thing. Me not go tell no lie about Andrew owners. That's why when me come out, me say, yes, Andrew owners have built up infrastructure, but who are benefit from it? Me always I say who? Because majority and stakeholders, 99% of the time, as stakeholders come in and investors invest basically. So who really are make money? Are the investors them? Are them a make the money and then bring it back and feed them country and build up for them country? When we they are suffer because there is a lot more things to be done. That is priority to us, which Andrew Owners is not doing. You understand me? What them a do to that young man when me just show you for everybody will just come on and I figure watch it from the start, my viewers and subscribers, because me just drop a video clip. Yeah? And for that young man that he has to pay on the toll $2,050 in the same car go up. And when he go through wherever he go through, he have to pay $3,000. It is too expensive. You understand? You hear what I'm saying? Say have it for pay. What about people that don't have it? What about people who are going to go to certain places and don't have it? We are come from different areas, different parish, and they don't have it. That is too much money. This is why I'm telling you that Andrew is not here for the Jamaican people. This is why I come out and I talk. But you want to see Andrew build up infrastructure. And I say, yes, love man, because he build up infrastructure. But you not benefit from it. And he not think about poor people when he's building up the infrastructure. This is what me always I try to get in now. No thick head. No for you. You understand me? You have to keep focus, my Jamaican people. And you always build up infrastructure and the real and a hide in realness. But people who have vision and wisdom can see right through Andrew Holness. Wanna hear me? People who have wisdom and vision can see right through Andrew Holness. My viewers and subscribers, I have a piece of hotter claps. I have a piece of hotter claps for drop. Listen, wanna see how Juliet, she never want table out nothing, table out the report them. Wanna see the reason why? Hey, let me read this for you and then we elaborate on it. Hear this. TAJ forking out millions for unoccupied properties. Wanna hear that? TAJ, Tax Administration Jamaica, forking out millions for unoccupied properties despite spending some 371.8 million of taxpayers' money. Wanna listen to this, you know. To lease two properties. Let me read it again. Despite spending some 371.8 million of taxpayers' money to lease two properties over a 3-year period, Tax Administration Jamaica failed to occupy the buildings up to August the 31st, 2023. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, this is the reason why you see Juliet never want table out nothing, because they might hide it in and want with it. No. The bombshell report was tabled in Parliament this afternoon, which was yesterday, after being held by the Speaker of the House for about 2 months. The report was sent to Parliament on the 29th of January. My viewers and subscribers, the report was sent on the 29th of January. Wanna see how long Juliet Holness, Andrew Holness' wife, House of Speaker, Madam Speaker, House of Representative, sit down on it, and Mark Golding come in every day and talk about it. And she not table nothing out. Even though Mark Golding come in and talk about it, she not table out nothing. She even go as far as when Mark Golding talk about it on the 19th of March, the next day, she send it back. Because guess what? Because she a bad girl and she not care. You understand? She not care because she have these things to hide. My viewers and subscribers, I show she have them as something to hide. So let me tell you know about this now. Because me get the little sauce. Hey, you see this year, listen, 371.8 million of taxpayers' money to lease two properties over a 3-year period. Tax Administration Jamaica failed to occupy the buildings up to the 31st of August 2023. Yeah, then failed to occupy it. This year now, this is a money laundry, you know, my viewers and subscribers, you know. A money laundry, this, you know, my viewers and subscribers. You see, whosoever do this, then figure prison, you know. You know what that do? This is why Juliet never want to table out the report. And it is alleged. Me get the source, but I don't know, so me have to use the alleged to back up myself. Okay? It is alleged that it is a JLP MP own the building. When I hear what me I say to you, that me get to understand. When I hear what me say, that me get to understand, my viewers and subscribers. It is a JLP member of Parliament that owns that building. So, where is the 371? Who does that money goes to? That is the question. This is why Juliet Holness no want to table out no report, but she have no grounds. She have to, because Auditor General send that back and say, hello lady, you better table that out. You understand? She table out the top. Remember, you know, there was 2. You remember me post the video there, me just showing something with Venetia there. With Venetia, she would fear lie herself come out. And I show her, wish if you show the people, them should not show the people. My viewers and subscribers, the Tax Administration Jamaica, yeah? Tax Administration Jamaica, 371.8 million. Where did that money go? Who it go to? Where the money there? A taxpayer money that, you know? My viewers and subscribers, a taxpayer money that, you know where that 371, they not even occupy the building. So where the money go? Where the money go? This is money laundering. You hear what me I tell you now? This is money laundering. My viewers and subscribers. People, you see whosoever do this, I government, because when I get to understand, me here say the building is owned by the state minister. Yes, and that me here, it is alleged that let me use my word alleged. It is alleged that the building is owned by the state minister of labor and ministry. My viewers and subscribers. Hey. You see what me I telling about? Wanna see why Juliet Wellness never want table out the report? Wanna see? You never see smoke without fire. Never see smoke without fire. All these things now, where that the money go to? You know how much machine that could have buy in the hospital. You know some is a nurse. So you know some always I talk about the hospital them. Me have to use it as an example because it is a perfect example. You understand? You know how much machine that can buy? You know how much equipment that can buy put in the hospital them? You know. You know how much and then waste 3 years out of money and occupy building. But where that the money there? Where there? Who have it? Who it was given to? That is money laundering, my viewers and subscribers. That is money laundering. You understand? And it is wrong what they're doing. It is wrong and they need to go down. They need to go to prison for these things. My wisdom warriors. So it is alleged that the doctor, the Honorable Norman Dunn, was first appointed as Minister of State in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce in September 2020 and served in that capacity until May 2023. He is currently the Minister of State in the Ministry of Labor and Social Security. It is alleged that it is Norman Dunn building. The building when me show now right up that yes, I him own it. It is alleged. It is alleged that I him own it. There's allegations out. You understand? Say I him own it. I do not know. I'm not sure about it. But I have to use my word alleged. If I'm not sure about something, I tell you no. Yeah? But to know the things that are ready, I have to cover myself. So my viewers and subscribers, it is alleged that is Norman Dunn building. Okay, me just make you know that. And he is currently the Ministry of Labor and Social Security. Hey, Lord Jesus, I do not know. I just don't know. This is the whole reason to say why no Juliet didn't want the table out, because Juliet never want to know about the tax. Yes, she never want to know about it. Yeah, because they in a problem now, you know. Look how much a taxpayer money. Look how much a taxpayer money them say, them claim upon paper that they know. Them claim that they use 371.8 million. Them use pan a building where they not even occupy. Pay for a building where they not occupy. You never hear that yet? You don't know how much, you don't know what that can do for Jamaican people? You don't know how much small businesses also that can help for my people them? You don't know that? But these are the things. What Andrew Wellness do is help the rich. Andrew don't help the poor. Andrew don't help the poor. This is a perfect example. Because when I go take taxpayer money, you know, and do all type of things when you do. The proof is there. The proof is there. So you spend how much money upon a building where they not even occupy. So where the money there? If you want to spend, so where the money there? You not occupy the building. No business now run. So where the money there? So that means I want just take a building. Hey, my viewers and subscribers. Then just take the money. Because the building is there empty. Nothing about the little shit them take the money and split it up. Yeah? It look like that them do, my viewers and subscribers. You hear me? They mess up me a money laundering. And then figure down for that. Then figure down. This is why now the Auditor General share her opinion. You know see what I go on now. But Juliet no want to share the opinion. Maybe it go court. Because something like this I figure court, you know, somebody have to go down for you know. I wonder how she ever throw under the bus. Because she threw Miss Curtis. We did it for over 30 years. The clerk, where the clerk now have nothing to do with she. So I want to know how she come reprimand clerk. Me don't know who give her the right for a reprimand clerk. My viewers and subscribers, I tell you about these people. Wanna tell me what you think about it? Wanna tell me what you think about taxpayer money? And when me come out and talk against Andrew owners, you have some fly-batty girl and some worthless man come out, come under my comment section and I shut off them mouth. I talk about, look what the man now done nothing for Jamaica. Me tell you already. Investors invest. Investors are invest and bring back garden country and Andrew get a cut out of that. And that me I try to tell you, no go on like you know open up on the eyes because you know so no die-hearted. You alone die-hearted, Andrew no die-hearted. You say you alone die-hearted. You know no sense. My viewers and subscribers, you tell me what you think. Storm up the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome out. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.